A strong mindset isn't a gift you're born with, it's something you build. Brick by brick, choice by choice. There's a Chinese proverb that says, "He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior." That's what this is about, mastering your mind, so nothing outside can shake you. Let's talk about 7 simple ways to build that kind of inner strength. Stick around to the last point, you might get something of value. First, feed your mind right. Just like your body needs good food, your mind needs quality input. Read good books. Listen to uplifting voices. Surround yourself with people who make you think bigger. What you allow in shapes what comes out. Second, embrace challenges. Don't shy away from pressure, lean into it. Hard moments teach us who we really are. As the saying goes, smooth seas never made a skilled sailor. Third, practice discipline daily. Small habits matter. Wake up when you say you will. Finish what you start. It's not about being perfect, it's about being committed. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. Fourth, control your inner voice. That voice in your head, it can either build you or break you. Speak to yourself like someone you truly care about. Turn your self-talk into power talk. Fifth, learn from failure. Failure isn't the end, it's feedback. Strong minds don't get stuck, they get smarter. Remember this: the master has failed more times than the beginner has even tried. Sixth, protect your energy. Guard your peace. Not everyone deserves access to your space. Say no to what drains you. Say yes to what strengthens you. And seventh, stay consistent. This one is key. The secret isn't motivation, it's daily discipline. Show up even when you don't feel like it. That's where the strength is built. So here's the truth. You don't have to be the smartest, the strongest, or the most talented. But if you master your mindset, you become unstoppable. Let your mind work for you, not against you. And remember, when the mind is strong, the body follows. When the spirit is calm, the storm doesn't matter. You've got this. Welcome to This Is Life channel. I am Triple DJ.